The kettle is good. The color is my favorite. The buttons are flexible. The price is reasonable and practical. This is a very nice kettle for the price. The faux metal finish on the body is unnecessary but alright. The operation is super easy at the touch of the lever and the light on the handle lights up until the water comes to a boil. The gooseneck design avoids the common problem of bubbling boiling water coming out in alternatives. Overall a very good kettle for your hot beverages. This kettle was such a good purchase at such a reasonable price point too. The design is super sleek and it's a no frills kettle. Once you fill the kettle and put it on the base, the latch is clicked down to start boiling the water. There's an indicator at the end of the handle which indicates when the water has completed boiling. It takes about 3-4 minutes to boil a full kettle of water, which is comparable to much more expensive kettles I've owned in the past. I love it. Just got it today and already in use. The kettle is light and easy to work with. Being cordless, it is easy to move around. All in all, happy with the purchase. After days of search I came across this little one. Very well made. I prefer smaller size cause I use it for tea. The finish is very contemporary and chic. Really impressive how quickly the kettle heats the water. Easy to use and clean. Certainly makes mornings easier. Super high quality coffee kettle. Beautiful shape and very good gooseneck design. Easy to control the water yield. Enjoy this product and highly recommend.